The harvester blades slice through the stalks, separating the grains, which flow rapidly into the machine's interior.
A little more to the left. Hold the flow, we're topped off here.
State-of-the-art technology ensures maximum efficiency in the rice production line.
The automated system meticulously sorts individual grains at high speed, ensuring unmatched purity. Our commitment to quality, stacked high and ready for the world.